So now let's look at resentment one more time. And I want you to see that resentment, you never thought of resentment as being ambition before, had you? But it is. See, it's ambition. Ambition to do something on your own. But it's worse than that, because it's also, it's moving away from love. See, it's one thing to move excitedly, but it's another thing to move resentfully, to step away from love, to step away from your Father's hand, to step away from principle. And what is principle? Principle is not to resent other people. Principle is to do what's right. See, principle is not to covet with jealousy what other people have. See, principle is not trying to get something for nothing. See, so you see, principle is all of those things. And when you move from principle and from love, from patience, then all your actions are right. See, but when you move resentfully, you're stepping away from your lodestar, from your calm center. Okay? Now the other thing that you need to see, this is important for you to see this, and that is that, or at least to hear it, and then see it, is that human being, everything we do should be from love. See, God created the universe out of love. See? And He made everything. The molecules, the atoms to molecules, light, space, time, stars, planets, the earth, and then the waters, and the clouds, and the land, and the trees, and the flowers, and the plants, and the fruit, and the vegetables. He made them all, and then he made animals, and fish, and he made humans. But the human being is the crowning glory of creation. It's the very end. See, it's the end of all of the creation in the material realm. But then that human being, into that crown jewel of creation, he breathed life. Okay? And this child of God, see, part heaven, part earth, part material, part spiritual, would then be able to enjoy a life of adventure and discovery and awe and wonder and joy in God's wonderful, in the wonderful kingdom and garden and earth that He created. You see? But it all began with love. Everything was made with love, and then the human being was made with love, and the human being was made to love. That's why He gave us freedom, so that we could love, so we could choose one way or the other way, so we could love Him or not love Him. But now, if you love what is right, if you lean toward what is right, you kind of like right and truth, principle, see? And you really don't want to hate other people. You don't want to resent other people, okay? You want to be patient with other people, all of that, okay? And you want to do what God's will is. He's your Father, see? Well, then, whatever you do then, see, you're always checking with Father, always checking with conscience, always checking with your intuition, always checking with conscience. It's always delicately accompanying you, so as you move, see, you move gracefully and lightly, see, not ambitiously and angrily and excitedly. Well, thus, everything you do is an extension of love. See, it was love from the beginning, and it continues as love, as you now express, see, the will of the Father, which is not to resent other people, to acknowledge Him in all your ways, to be grateful for all the good things that you have, and to marvel at all the things that He made, see, and not to resent other people. See how simple that is?